hesitate to call this an oven cleaning tutorial, but I will show you how I cleaned mine. And I spilled coffee inside of the door, so I definitely need to get in there somehow. I'm starting off with some Scrub Daddy Power Paste to get the inside. Mine isn't super bad, so this is all that I really need for this. If your oven is really dirty, then I would suggest using some Easy Off or something that's a little more intense. Then I'm going in with a scraper that is used for the oven and the stove top, so it's not scratching anything up in there. Then I'm wiping all of that up. Then I'm moving on to the outside, or the inside of the door. I don't know. Anyway, using the Scrub Daddy Power Paste as well and giving it a scrape on the glass and taking off all of those little bits that are stuck on. I go through and rinse all of that product off with a wet towel, and this is the after. And then I'm moving on to the inside of the door. And I know a lot of people have issues with this because you can potentially break your oven door, which I almost did right there, if you saw. Also, yeah, here's that. I'm a little behind the scenes of content creation. Anyway, so I give it a wipe down with some Clear Everyday Clean. And it's just coffee, so it didn't take too much for me to get that off. But again, if you need something more heavy duty, then use it. And this is the after. And then I went into the drawer and I usually just vacuum out all of the bits, taking some Everyday Clean again and wiping it down. And that's pretty much it for the inside anyway. And then the outside, you want to give it a spray with some stainless steel cleaner or some vinegar to take all those streaks off. And here's the after. I didn't clean the grates because I didn't feel like I had to.